So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete all saved videos on your TikTok. Peradventure you want to delete the saved videos on your TikTok, just go ahead and click on this profile right here. Once you click on the profile icon, so right here, go ahead and click on this button. This is where you have all your saved videos. So once you tap on that, you get to see everything right here, from your posts to your collection, sound effects, and so on. You get to see everything you saved so far. So just come to where you have the posts, then tap on the post you wish to delete. Once you tap on it, then can you see that this post has something that is like yellow right here? It means that this post was saved. So just tap on this yellow icon and it will become unsaved from your profile. So I just did that, and let's go and check if it has been removed. Can you see it has been removed? And that is how you get to go about it. And if you have so many of them that you want to delete, like you want to delete everything at once, trust me, there's no way to go about that. In case you're trust me, there's no way to go about that. You might want to like search or make a research on YouTube to find ways you can do that. Any video you see regarding that, they are all fluff. No one is truly working. So save yourself some time and start doing this one by one from now, and eventually you are going to delete all your saved videos from TikTok. So I believe you got value. Do it to subscribe. The fact that I was honest with you, do it to subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, and also like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.